G'day! So, welcome to my YouTube video. Please make sure to give this video a big like, thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe on the big red button down below that says subscribe. Now on to the video. So today I was going to take my car for a spin, but then I looked at it and I decided it needed a bit of a wash. Now listen. I'm not going to pay $15 for a machine to wash my car for me because just no. I'm not gonna do that, nah. So I just decided I was gonna wash it by hand. All I need is the car. Wow, that's convenient. Now the first thing that you're gonna need to make your car look all shiny is a thing called bubbles. Let's go! I have to take you with me. Sorry, you can't just stay there. I have to take you with me. I'm taking you with me. Let's go clean the car together. One big happy family. I didn't think that through. Now when you finished putting bubbles all over the car and made it look like a big bubble mania, you then want to wash it off. Now a normal person would just hold the hose and spray it on. But no, I like the challenge. So what I do is I just let it roam free like a blooming snake. So you're going to need this thing called a chamois. Now this thing's going to help you dry off the car and make it look Now I live in a country called Australia, and Australia is very hot. Like today, for example, it's 33 degrees. When you're washing the car, you're gonna want to make sure you stay hydrated. When I'm washing my car, I get pretty darn thirsty, so I just oh, that went up my nose. Oh. Yeah. Pretty much. So you've finished your lovely car and it looks spick and span. You're going to want to take it for a drive and show people, look at my car. Let's go for a drive. Yeah! Shit with the digital toys of the Apache, you're filing the mash, but you throw your hands in the I can see my shoes when you dance. This is like a blooming nutcracker. You jealous of my car? Just wanna feel it from you. Hey. Don't be afraid to catch feels. Had to get her number. This took like 6 weeks. And then you're getting really into the song, and then all of a sudden just
$1,000 off the credits with our song of the day. You're listening out for that. I actually have another $1,000 to give away right now.
And you're like, why were you doing that? Seriously, I was just getting into my song, then you just blooming interrupted by going, now that was Jessica Bowboy on channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. See ya! Woo! Thanks for watching.